Welcome to the BlueSphere User Management tutorial video. Now we will show you how to easily manage user accounts through the BlueSphere platform. First, you need to log in to the BlueSphere MDM platform using the admin account. Once logged in, navigate to System, Security to access this module. Users or user groups are created by administrators who have ultimate access to all platform resources. The search bar supports fuzzy search based on the email address or user group name. Admin users can enable or disable normal users' accounts. You could click the operation icon to modify the user account, change the login password, or delete the user. Admins can create multiple users and assign different permissions to different users for better device management. Adding new users in the BlueSphere platform is very simple. Go to the user page and click the Add User button. Fill in the name, email address, password, and other information of the new user. Next, assign appropriate user permissions so that they can access the required resources and functional modules. Then, associate the newly added user to the user group to assign the user role. Next, you can assign devices to the new user. Select the device group or device to be assigned. Click Confirm to complete the creation of the new user. Administrators can add multiple user groups and configure different operation permissions, and add different users to the same group to facilitate more efficient user management. If the user's permissions are inconsistent with the user group's permissions, the one with more permissions will prevail. First, go to the user group page and click the Add User Group button in the upper right corner. Then enter the group name and determine whether to enable the group. Next, assign permissions that the user group can access. Then, select the device group associated with the group, or select the device to be associated across groups. Finally, select an existing user to join this user group to complete the creation. Administrators can enable or disable user groups in the status and add descriptions to user groups. Administrators can also modify user group details and delete user groups in the operation options. The password policy specifies the password principles when creating new users or user groups or when users themselves change their passwords. Administrators can configure password complexity, password validity period, and account lockout time on this page. With BlueSphere's user management, you can easily manage platform user accounts to ensure the security and efficient operation of the platform. Thanks for watching. We hope this video could help.